Naga People's Organization (NPO) has called for immediate closure of all shops and business establishments at Senapati district headquarters in protest and mourning following the killing of 4 Naga civilians in an armed attack in neighboring Kangpokpi district. The attack along the IT road reportedly left 4 people dead, 1 injured and another missing. The incident has renewed concerns of civilian safety along the corridor, particularly among Naga communities dependent on the route for daily movement and access. The shutdown comes a day after a high-level meeting at Senapati district headquarters reviewed the prevailing security situation and discussed measures to promote peace and stability. The killings have once again brought security along the IT road into sharp focus. Concerns are expected to grow among communities living and traveling along the corridor. Meanwhile, efforts are continuing to locate Charaina Mai, who remains missing. Police confirmation and further details of the incident are awaited.